Wake up. To stop sleeping.
I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. I wake up at 7 a.m. every day.
Turn on. To start a device.
Please turn on the lights. Please turn on the lights.
Put on. To wear something.
She put on her jacket. She put on her jacket.
Take off. To remove clothing.
He took off his shoes at the door. He took off his shoes at the door.
Sit down. To take a seat.
Please sit down and relax. Please sit down and relax.
Stand up. To rise to your feet.
Everyone stood up when the teacher entered. Everyone stood up when the teacher entered.
Come in. To enter.
Come in, the door is open. Come in, the door is open.
Go out. To leave a place.
We went out for dinner last night. We went out for dinner last night.
Look for. To search for something.
I'm looking for my keys. I'm looking for my keys.
Look after. To take care of someone.
She looks after her younger brother. She looks after her younger brother.
Look up. To search for information.
I looked up the word in a dictionary. I looked up the word in a dictionary.
Look at. To direct your eyes towards something.
Look at that beautiful sunset. Look at that beautiful sunset.
Listen to. To pay attention to sound.
I listen to music every morning. I listen to music every morning.
Wait for. To stay in place until something happens.
We waited for the bus for 20 minutes. We waited for the bus for 20 minutes.
Ask for. To request something.
He asked for more time. He asked for more time.
Pay for. To give money for something.
I paid for the tickets. I paid for the tickets.
Think about. To consider something.
I'm thinking about my future. I'm thinking about my future.
Talk to. To speak with someone.
Can I talk to you for a minute? Can I talk to you for a minute?
Get in. To enter a car or place.
Get in the car, we're leaving. Get in the car, we're leaving.
Get out. To leave, exit.
Get out of the house, it's on fire. Get out of the house, it's on fire.
Get on. To board, bus or train.
We got on the train just in time. We got on the train just in time.
Get off. To leave or exit, bus or train.
Get off at the next stop. Get off at the next stop.
Get back. To return.
She got back from her trip yesterday. She got back from her trip yesterday.
Get up to. To be doing something.
What are you getting up to this weekend? What are you getting up to this weekend?
Get away. To escape.
The thief got away before the police arrived. The thief got away before the police arrived.
Get over. To recover from something.
It took him weeks to get over the flu. It took him weeks to get over the flu.
Get through. To complete or survive something difficult.
We finally got through the exam period. We finally got through the exam period.
Give up. To stop trying.
Don't give up on your dreams. Don't give up on your dreams.
Give away. To give something for free.
He gave away his old books. He gave away his old books.
Give back. To return something.
Please give back my pen. Please give back my pen.
Give out. To distribute.
The teacher gave out the test papers. The teacher gave out the test papers.
Give in. To finally agree after resisting.
She finally gave in and let him go. She finally gave in and let him go.
Bring up. To raise a topic.
She brought up an interesting point. She brought up an interesting point.
Bring back. To return something.
This song brings back memories. This song brings back memories.
Bring in. To introduce something.
The company brought in new rules. The company brought in new rules.
Take away. To remove.
The waiter took away our plates. The waiter took away our plates.